Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We have specifically here, guys, we can see we'll be demonstrating on 2012 Ford F-150. You will have two fuse boxes. Now, right here, guys, if you open the hood on your F-150, under the hood you have one fuse box above the radiator fan here, above the radiator. We don't need that one for that specific fuse, guys. We need the one that's inside the F-150. Talking about the one under the glove box towards the side by the kick panel here. You open the cover, open the fuse box, and it will look just like that. Now, that fuse box here, guys, okay, we took a picture and we zoomed it so we can show everything with a clear detail. Otherwise, it's impossible to get a clear view. Now, before we explain which fuses you need to check specifically for the brake lights, stop lights, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the fuses that you need to check, they will be in that first row of fuses right here on the left side. So if you start on the very top, and even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it, guys. You have fuse number, okay, you're going to have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, that 15 fuse right here, fuse number 13. And then you need to check fuse number 14, guys. Fuse number 13, fuse number 14. Both of them are 15 fuse. From the bottom to top, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 and 6 fuse from top to bottom, if it's easier for you guys. These two fuses will need to be checked.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.